Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana and here we are with a set of CAT 2017 slot 1. It's a chessboard set based on the chess game. If you have played chess, the set is cakewalk for you. Free marks, free 4 questions for all of you if you know the basics of chess. Even if you don't know the basics of chess, if you read the instructions carefully, you can still solve this set. The set will not even take 5 minutes to solve in the exam, right? Let's quickly have a look at the instruction part of it. This picture was not given in the question, right? In the set, right? I have added this picture to make you explain this, right? Whole instruction part. In exam, there was only this instruction. Picture was not given. It says in an 8 into 8 chessboard, a queen placed anywhere can attack another piece if the piece is present in the same row or in the same column or in diagonal position in any possible 4 direction, provided there is no other piece in between in the path from the queen to that piece. Now that's the basic logic of chess, right? This is a standard instruction, and this is also the rule of game, right? That if I'm saying that, if let's say this is the position of the queen. Let's say this is the position of the queen. Queen is present here, right? Now, a queen can attack any other piece which is available in any of this row, right? If there is any piece which is present in any of this row, in anywhere in this row, queen will be able to attack. If a piece is present at any point in this column, queen will be able to attack. Queen can also attack any piece which will be in the same diagonal, right? Queen can also attack any of the piece which will be in this diagonal, right? So these are the, right, in these direction, queen can attack. Now that's also a standard rule of chess, right? If you have played chess, you must know this. But provided there is no another piece in between the path from the queen to that piece. Let's say the queen is over here. Let's say queen is over here. Now, let's say this is a position of the queen. And there's a piece number 1 here and there's a piece number 2 here. Now, if queen want to attack piece number 2, it's not possible because between queen and piece number 2, there's a piece 1, right? So, if queen will first attack piece 1, only after that queen can attack piece 2. Queen cannot attack piece 2 directly because there's a piece present between this queen, between the queen and piece 2, right? This is also the rule of chess. Now the question says the columns are labeled A to H, left to right. So when you move from left to right, it is labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And rows are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the position of a piece is given by the combination of a column and the row labels. For example, the position C5 means the piece is in the Cth column and the F5 fifth row. So let's say if there's a piece present over here, there's any piece that's present over here. So this position is first defined by the column and then by the row, that is C5. If I look at this position, you see that this is the column E and row 6, so this is E6 position. If I talk about this, you can see that this is column number G and the row number 8, so this will be G8. These are the instructions of the set, right? Now, here is question number 1 of the set. It says if the queen is at C5 and the other pieces at position C2, GL, G3, G5 and A3, how many are under attack by the queen? There are no other piece on the board. There are no other pieces on the board. So queen is at C5. C5. So this is the position of the queen, right? This is the position of the queen. And other pieces are at, let's see that. C2. There's a piece, let's say P1. Piece P1 is at C2. G1, this is G, this is 1. G1, piece number 2. And G5. G1, G3, G5. G3. This would be G3, right? G5, this would be G5. A3. A3, this would be A3. This would be piece number 5. So these are the 5 pieces present on the board, right? So P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. And the question is asking us how many pieces are under attack by the queen. So see that queen can attack this piece because it is in the same row. Queen can attack this piece because it is in the same diagonal. Queen can attack this piece because it is in the same diagonal. right? And queen can also attack this piece because it is in the same row. Queen will not be able to attack p3 because it is not in the same diagonal row or column wise, right? It's not in the line of queen. So these are the four pieces which are attacked by the queen, which are under attack by the queen. So the answer is fourth option. A very, very simple and easiest question that you will ever find in CAT exam. Next, look at this question number 2. If the other pieces are at position at A1. So let's see that there's a position A1. Let's say there's a one piece is present over here. Let's name it as P1. A3, there's another piece, P2, A3, B4, there's another piece. D7 would be this, right? This is piece number 4. H7, this is H7, piece number 5, H8, piece number 6. Then which of the following position of the queen result in the maximum number of pieces being under attack? So out of these following options, where should I place the queen so that maximum of these elements are under attack? So first, if I place it at F8, let's say the position of the queen is F8. Now at F8, queen will be able to attack this piece. Queen will be able to attack this piece only. So these are the only two pieces which will be under attack if the position of the queen is at F8, this piece and this piece. Some of you might be thinking, queen can also attack this piece. No, queen directly cannot attack this piece because there's a piece present over here, right? So when the position of the queen is F8, there are two elements which are under attack. If I talk about A7, if I position the queen at A7, let's say this is the position of queen now. So they see that queen can attack this because it is the same row. Queen will not be able to attack this piece because there's a P4 in between. Queen can attack this, right? Because this is also in the same position. No other piece is under attack coming in the diagonal column wise. So there are only two elements which will be under attack if the position of queen is A7. If I put queen at C1, let's say this is the position of the queen, right? So see that this piece is under attack and no other piece is coming row wise, column wise, and this piece will also. So queen can attack this piece and this piece. Only two pieces will be attacked if the position of queen is at C1. If you look at D3, if I position queen at D3, let's say position is, this is queen, right? Now queen can attack P2, queen can attack P4, queen can attack P5. Yes, that's it. In this case, queen can attack 3 elements. So the maximum number of pieces will be under attack if the position of the queen is D3, and that's the answer to the question. That is option number D. See that? It's a really an easy set for all of you. It's a cakewalk. These are the sets that you need to select in the exam, right? It does not matter how difficult set you have practiced while preparing for CAT. Difficult sets are there to help you in learning the approach of solving LR. But you see that these type of sets, right? These are the actually sets which you are supposed to select in CAT exam, and these sets will take you to IIMs, right? These are the sets that you need to select to get your percentile, guys, right? Selection in LRDI matters a lot. There's a question number 3 here. I want all of you to try this. And there's a question number 4 also. Try question number 3 and 4. Solution of these two questions will be uploaded in the next part of the video. I have started a number system course, a comprehensive number system course for students appearing for CAT 2021 and CAT 2022. The start date is 29th May 2021, that means today. It's a weekend batch, and you can use my referral code SME.YT for the plus subscription. Students appearing for 2021 and 2022 can attend this course. This will help you a lot. Number system is a fundamental topic of quantitative aptitude. It's a foundation for you to have, to learn the whole mathematics. And this is the first topic that you should be doing. This will also help you a lot in LRDI sets. There's a bumper offer going on for CAT 2021 students. If you go for 6-month subscription, you'll get subscription till CAT 2021, and you can use the referral code SME.YT, or you can use my code LRDI SME Live. Both code will work to give you 10% off in addition to this offer. Thank you. See you in the next part.